Let's print double-sided prints with the new Fujifilm Frontier DX400. This guide provides step-by-step instructions for printing a two-page PDF double-sided using Microsoft Edge and the built-in Windows printing software. Additionally, we will give you a sneak peek of the new Darkroom driver setup for this printer at the end. Let's start by opening the PDF by double-clicking or right-clicking and hitting print to open it in the default viewer, which is typically Microsoft Edge on modern Windows computers. Open the print dialog by clicking the printer icon on the top right of your screen, or use Ctrl and the letter P on your keyboard. Now you will need to select the DX400 printer. In the printer dropdown, choose Fujifilm DX400. If you have already made the changes in the Windows driver when installing the printer driver, you will be able to make the following changes and hit print. Select print on both sides, then pick the paper size. Here we have 8x10 selected and chose the scale. These prints are already sized to 8x10, and then you can hit print. If you did not already make the changes in the print driver, you will need to hit print using the system dialog to make the changes. In this window, you will go through your printer list and find the Fujifilm DX400 and select it. Then click the Preferences button and a new window will pop up. Now set the media type and the paper source. Choose the correct media type. Today, we are using sheet 225 double-sided paper luster. Always ensure you have double-sided selected, or the printer will only print one side. We will change the size to 8x10 here as well. If your size is non-standard, use the driver's user-defined paper size to create and save the custom size. Hit Apply and then print. The window will close and the printer will notify you that you need to load the sheet of paper into the printer. Don't forget these printers are now available at imagingspectrum.com and ready to ship. Now let's open the back feeder if you haven't already. Load the sheet into the rear paper feed slot for manual single sheet jobs, or into the sheet feeder cassette for multi-sheet automatic printing, which we do not have attached. Make sure the physical paper size and type match what you set in the driver. Follow the printer's How to Load Sheet Paper procedure if the printer prompts or if you want exact guidance. The DX400 will print the front side first, then automatically print the back side. Check the result. Pick up the printed sheet from the output tray and check page order, orientation, and bleed if you used borderless. If the back is upside down or pages appear swapped, change the flip on long short edge setting and retry. Now look at that beautiful double-sided print. As for Darkroom Software, right now I am using the Windows driver, but there will be an update with a built-in driver that you will be able to just add the new Fujifilm DX400 without the Windows driver. So I have already been playing around with this printer and Darkroom Core Edition. As you can see, I have packages with sizing and that say double. This is for the built-in software for double-sided duplex feeding. Once the update is available, you will be able to add a package for this printer and select the print size you need. There will be a few steps to have it set up correctly. Here you can see me adding two 8x10 sheets as two different local print items. This is to be able to set the setting I need to ensure double-sided duplex feeding. You will select each one and hit Edit Properties for each one. You will select Add at the end of the print command. The window will change and you will have two tables at the top. You will select the Fujifilm DX400 tab. Find double-sided and select Yes from the dropdown. Then press OK. This will now change the local item display name. Duplex will now be listed next to the sizing. You would be the same thing for the secondary local item. With that set, you can go to the photo workshop and print a package. The new package will now be displayed. Select a photo and click the new package. Select one copy, but two items will display. With both items now on display, you will be able to hit Edit on one of them and change the photo. So you will be able to have two different photos on one print. Make the changes you want and then place the order. Just like that, two photos on one print facing the same direction. Call us today to meet your media needs.